Come on in, welcome to my home. Today we are talking about my Blueland cleaning products. Alright, so if you have not seen my 5 favorites, click that card, it'll take you to the day where I talk about my 5 favorites. It is one of my 5 favorites. I grouped this whole thing together as one of my top 5 favorites for July, simply because I actually love this product. Like, truly and honestly, I love this product. The cool thing about this is not a sponsored video at all in any way, shape, or form. I bought all of these, I bought this whole kit, and it is so wonderful. Let's break this down, and I'll tell you what I did like about it, what I didn't like about it, and what you should know. The first thing we're going to talk about is the one product that at first I did not like, and that is the glass cleaner. When I first got the glass cleaner, I followed the directions completely, sprayed it on the glass, started cleaning the glass with my microfiber cloth, and it streaked. It clouded up. It was horrible. And I kept trying to figure out what I was doing wrong. Was there something in there? I ended up finally having to write into Blueland, send them an email, and they got back to me and said there could be 2 problems. 1, it might not have enough water, and 2, the microfiber cloths is not what you want to use with that. You want to use a cotton cloth, something like a t-shirt. I'm like, okay, I'll try it right now. I'm not real happy with your product, so I did both. I got the cotton cloth and I added more water to it, and bam, it cleaned. It cleaned up all the streaks that I had gotten on the glass. I then was in love. It really is really nice. It's also, it helps our planet because it does not have as much plastic. There's not as many things in there which will then be bad for our whole ecosystem. I like the fact that I can just order these little tablets, put them in, add the water to it, and we're ready to go. I do not find that the tablets for the cleaning supplies are that expensive when you look at what a bottle of cleaning supplies are. And I don't have anything like extra just sort of laying around the house and that sort of thing. They store really easy. They come in everything once they come in is completely recyclable. That sold me. But let's jump on to the bathroom cleaning product. That I loved instantly. It is in a pink bottle. You just spray it, wipe down your bathroom counters, and it really is nice. I mean, there is no filmy residue. It's not sticky or anything. I'm absolutely loving that. Let's talk about the kitchen cleaner. The kitchen cleaner is just as effective as the bathroom cleaner. I love them both. It has a different scent to it. I am liking all of the scents to this. I would sort of be interested to know if they have an unscented product, which as of right now, I do not know that they have. It does not take much. That's a big thing to take away from all of this. Do not overuse this product simply because it doesn't take as much as with other products. I found that out with the glass cleaner, but with this, I just spray a little on and we're ready to go. We wipe down the counters and it's just like a regular cleaning product. I absolutely love that about that. It goes a very long way and I think it's a really good amount for the money. That is the dish powder. This took some getting used to. Let's talk about some of those problems or some of the things which are going to take some getting used to. 1, it's powder. That's going to take a little getting used to. Does it work exactly like a dish detergent or soap when you put it in water? Yeah, once it sets up, it's exactly the same. But the one thing I can tell you is it does make your glass products feel slippery because of, I do believe, baking soda in that. I will not swear to that, but it feels like when you get something with wet that's been soaked in baking soda, it has that slippery feel. It is very clean, and I mean very clean. It works really well. Is it sort of expensive? I would not call this sort of expensive for a very natural cleaning product, which is good for our environment. But I'm loving this. I really do. It cleans very, very well. It's worth the time. I like the fact that all of the products, all the parts of it are recyclable. Now the bottles you keep and you just get the refills of the tablets, which come in small boxes that they say that you can order. it's just so simple. It works so well, and I'm totally enjoying this. Now, I did also get the foaming hand soap. What's interesting about that is it's just like any foaming hand soap. You just press down on it and it works the same way. You just wash your hands. Now the cool thing about that is it also comes in a tablet which you just drop into the bottle and then watch it fizz and dissolve. And now the one thing I will warn you about, it does take some time for those tablets to dissolve. You put them in hot water, they will dissolve, but I'm glad I did this the night before versus that morning that I was going to clean, simply because when I get started cleaning, I really want to clean. So there you go. Those are my simple things for these Blueland products. I really do enjoy this. Like, I am really very happy with the Blueland products. I will be reordering these, and I'm probably going to completely, well, I know I am, I'm going to completely ditch my homemade cleaning products because this uses less of everything. My homemade cleaning products, I would still have to go out and buy soaps and those sort of things. This, I can have less packaging. They are very effective, and it just works really well. Well, let me know if you've tried these Blueland products, if you're going to, if you want more information about that. I will leave a link down to the Blueland site so that you can check this out, but I love them. I'm very happy. I hope you enjoyed this, and I hope I get to see you again next time you stop by. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. You can share it. Don't forget to subscribe, and check out the other videos on this channel. I love making these videos for you, and I hope I get to see you again next time.